Hello friends, it's me Mohnish and today we are going to go on a new Jupyter Notebook project and let's get started real quick. And you see, this is all like I've already written the code. So let's see what it does. So here we have the COVID-19 healthy diet dataset.csv. So let's read the CSV and find what it does. So here, just one healthy image like showing healthy food. We use the IPython and the image model from it, and we are displaying the image. So that's simple. And then we are going to import the required packages, pandas and matplotlib, like I mean pyplot mainly. And then we are going to read the CSV and we are going to print. We're going to get the output here. So you see, here we have a few columns, which is the country, alcoholic beverages, animal products, facts, other things. So here we are going to go firstly with the unnourished and the population. So here we can get a relation. How much of the population is unnourished? So we can get a relation, and here we start with a relation, and we try to make or build a graph to point the correlation between these two data points. So firstly, uh, we are going to clean the data and show which top 10 countries have the highest undernourished rate as compared with the population. So where like the people are mostly unnourished. So we are going to find that. So we are going to replace all the 2.5 integers with 3, like just like that. It will help us in the cleaning of data afterwards. And then we are setting undernourished. Like we are setting its type to float. So here undernourished, like all the data is given here is I think string. So like I string or integer. So we are converting into float type. So we don't get any problems because pandas works good with float. And then we are summing. We are adding up all the undernourished and population columns here. So you see total number of the things. So Afghanistan undernourished 29.8 and population is this and all that. We get 170 countries, and in our original data set we had 170 countries only. There should be 170 countries. We are just playing with the undernourished and population, so we should keep that in mind. Then we are sorting the values by undernourished, and we are setting the ascending to false. So we'll get a descending order of the thing means the most undernourished country, like not the most, but where the percentages are high. So we are going to we are going to make a top 10 list of countries which are undernourished. So this is the head and 10. So we use the head for displaying the top 5 values or something, but we can also use it to store a data frame like this one. And then we are setting the percentage number. We are dividing it by 100 and we are making it a population. So here, okay, so pandas is telling me to use the .loc method, but I use this method. It works well. So I did not change anything. So you see, we made a new column. So which will help us in the thing. So percentage number. So undernourished. How many of the people are undernourished? So this actually is the undernourished column. This is in percentages and this is in numbers. And then we are going to plot a graph with the undernourished versus country population. So here we are making a total population X and Y. You can think as X and Y. Then we are setting the index to top 10 countries. Then this is then subplots. We are setting the fixed size title. Then bar, we are setting the index, total population, bottom is equals to percent number. Then we are setting a rotate like label. Then we are setting again a color. So here we are setting the color for population as blue and undernourished as red. Then we rotated the text, this text in the x-axis by 80 degrees, and we are showing the legend. So this is the legend, this box. And we have X label as country, Y label as this, population and undernourished, and we are showing it. Actually, if we just don't even do this, it will work fine for us because it's in Jupyter Notebook. You see, then so you can see the graph. So it shows the undernourished versus country population graph of the top 10 countries in the world. Like we have data for 170 countries already here. So we can conclude the country with the highest undernourished rate is Uganda here, this one, because like this is the highest. Like I'm just talking about the numbers. Like the numbers are highest here, but in the percentages wise, if you see it's Central African Republic. So let's get going and show a comparison between meat and vegetables consumption across the country. So before this, I'll just add a new cell. I'll just df dot head 0. So you see here we are having, well, just do one. So here we are having a meat, sorry, not here, a meat and vegetables column. So we are going to use this. We're going to make a graph, which is a histogram. So in this histogram, we are going to create bins and we are going to put the values. Very simple. So sorted meat, we are sorting the values by meat and ascending equals to false. We want this like descending order. So you see, meat, yeah, highest 21%. Not that. Sorted vegetables. So this is sorted by vegetables. So we made a data frame sorted meat which has all the values with the highest meat value to the lowest, and here sorted vegetables has it from the highest vegetables percentage to lowest vegetable percentage. So if you just plot a graph the similar way, so we are setting bins, we are setting 10 bins for meat and a few bins for vegetables, and we are just plotting the graph. So you see the meat and vegetable consumption. So we can conclude meat consumption is higher than vegetable consumption across the countries. So if you like this video, friends, then please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video so everyone gets to know this coding. And of course, we got to share knowledge with everyone. So that's it for the video, friends. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.